Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, what do you think this is? You're going to like this, all you sweet people. You people love the sweet things. Well, this is tamarind juice. Sweet, a little sourish flavor to it, slightly kind of earthy. Kind of hard to describe. It's its own beast. There's no doubt about it, and it's wonderful. My wife uses this. We'll be making some tamarind juice with all kinds of things tomorrow for Christmas Eve dinner. So very nice. And tamarind juice has a lot of health benefits, and it's really sweet. And if you like sweet, you're going to love this. There's no doubt about it. And it's called Tamarindus Indica, and it's a big tree, about up to 40 feet tall. Originally from Africa, and then it went to U.S. We actually grew them in southern Florida, in India, Pakistan, Asia, Caribbean, Mexico, Middle East, South America, and more and more and more. It's gone everywhere. Used a lot in culinary dishes, and a lot of people ended up using it all the time in cooking, especially in Asia, and also used in juices, which are really great. Also in sauces and marinades, and it's also used in Worcestershire sauce, which is really interesting too. And also it's anti-inflammatory. It's really good for getting rid of that, redness, swelling, and inflammation in general, joint inflammation, arthritis. Helps with lots of antioxidants, has a plethora of antioxidants in it, and will do your body good. So that's a really great thing. Also, lowers blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, you might want to take some tamarindo juice or tamarind juice, and that will do you good. It really helps to relax the vessels a little bit, and with all those antioxidants, it does a great job of that. Also great for the liver and liver disease in general, and some indications it can help with cirrhosis of the liver. More studies to be done about that. But really helps with fatty liver disease, and there are some studies to show that actually can heal fatty liver disease completely. So it may work for you. You might want to try it. Also great for constipation. If you eat a lot of this as a paste form, or you drink a lot of the juice, it will help with constipation. And also helps in a small amount with diarrhea too. It's the opposite of that whole spectrum there. And also it's got a lot of magnesium in it, and everybody's depleted of magnesium, and I have a whole video about magnesium. We're getting a little wind here. Also a lot of good potassium that will help you, with heart regulation, water regulation, that type of thing. A little bit of iron, calcium for strong bones, a lot of B vitamins, also trace amounts of vitamin C and K, and all kinds of selenium and copper, and good for anemia. Also, a cup of the paste from the seeds actually comes in a long pod, which I couldn't find today because it's really after the season. And about a cup, and that's a lot of tamarind paste, is about 287 calories or so. But you won't use that much. I mean, just to make this drink was about two teaspoons. So not much. So it's very low in calories if you use it in moderation, of course. But that's really not much. 287 for a whole cup. That's really great. Really good stuff. Also has a lot of polyphenols in it, like green tea, and also lowers cholesterol. So if you have LDL cholesterol, which is high, you might want to take some tamarind juice, which is great for you. Also, you can make eye drops with it because it contains an agent which is similar to the moisture in your eyes, mucin. So you can make that also, which is really great. Like I said, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory with lots of antioxidants, good for fatty liver disease, and it can reverse fatty liver disease, and along with my diet. And I highly recommend my diet, which will help to get rid of that, fatty liver disease. And go to paulhaider.com, www.paulhaider.com. It's down below. Also, detoxing the liver in general and helping to make more bile acids to get rid of toxins in the liver. Also good for the seeds are good for soothing away gastric ulcers. So if you can get the seeds, the whole pods, the seeds are edible, and that'll help with gastric ulcers also. This juice actually, or the paste actually boosts up your metabolism, so you actually lose weight, which is great stuff. Everybody needs to lose weight, and we're in the middle of the holidays. We need to lose some weight. There's no doubt about it. Great for nausea. Ginger helps with nausea, but actually this juice really helps with nausea too. So if you're one of these people who can't take ginger, for some reason, you might want to take some tamarind. Really great. Also, has the ability to block carbs, which is a really great thing. So if you're eating, a ton of carbs all day long, you might want to try some tamarind because it's going to help in a great way. Also, like I said, high in magnesium, and everybody's depleted in magnesium. Helps them with Crohn's disease and also colitis. It's anti-inflammatory, so that's a great thing too. Also, great for indigestion in general. If you have stomach aches and pains all the time, you might want to try some. Helps with diabetes in general, which is that lowers blood glucose. You wouldn't think something was sugary, tasting would help with the diabetes, but it actually does. Pretty interesting stuff. Fights cancer because of all the antioxidants in it, and helps to prevent damage to the pancreas itself. So really great, really amazing. And it's a cooling, not just because it has ice cubes in it, it's a cooling fruit. And if you are always hot, or if you live in a hot climate, you might want to take some tamarind, because I live in a hot place. And that will cool you down and make you feel better, and probably help you with your sweating also. Also, it's great for heart health because it helps with the cholesterol, and boosts up your immune system because it keeps away the colds, the flus, and the allergies. It also helps because of the great antioxidants. Great for your skin. You can make a scrub to scrub your skin, and exfoliant, which is really good. And they used it in a lot of cosmetics also, and as a detoxing agent for the skin, and it's a good detoxing agent in general. As far as I've been using it for 20 years being here on the island, and I've never seen any type of reaction to it. They were back in 1999. They said there was a few people who had lead poisoning, but you get the same thing with cacao or chocolate also, because sometimes that has lead in it. But I've really never seen that. It does thin the blood a little bit, like all greens. If you're on an anticoagulant or warfarin or something like this, you might want to reconsider taking tamarind. So it's a blood thinner slightly also. And in general, most people just enjoy it. And I think it's a great thing that anybody can have. And I'm going to be cooking today. We get ready for Christmas Eve. Tomorrow we have a big dinner with about 25 people coming. And it's going to be a great affair. And I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays. And hope everything goes well for you in 2020. And great things are going to come your way. Great peace is going to come to earth, and I'm praying for all of that. And I want to share with you that I really thank you for being part of my audience, and hope you'll subscribe and tell others about my work. And if you want to get a hold of me, my phone number is down below, and it's 831-869-9119. My email is drpaulhaider@gmail.com. And my Skype address is drpaulhaider. So have a great day. Feel free to get a hold of me. If you want to do a consult, I ask for a $50 donation. It can be a couple together, in fact, and we can set that up, and we can get you on the road to great health. So feel free to contact me anytime. And like I said, if you click show more, all my contact information is down there. So have a wonderful day. I'm here with my little bit of tapioca root, or yucca. Also, here is a wonderful Mexican tree spinach, which is very interesting stuff too. So out in our garden and showing you a little bit more of our nature here. Have a wonderful day, and remember God, and remember I love you. Merry Christmas.